Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module number MECH underscore P underscore 025 underscore Raymond Survey John Jute. Statement: 1 cubic meter, that is 1.00 meter cube of aluminum, has a mass of 2.70 into 10 raised to the power 3 kilogram, and the same volume of iron has a mass of 7.86 into 10 raised to the power 3 kg. Okay, volume are same, masses are different. Okay, density is equal to mass over volume. Find the radius of a solid aluminum sphere that will balance a solid iron sphere of radius 2.00 centimeter on an equal arm balance. Equal arm balance means old measuring balance, old measuring meter. Okay. Actually, dear students, this problem is about density and volume of sphere. Okay, density is mass per volume, and volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here, in case of volume of sphere, 4 by 3 pi are constants, and hence we can say that volume of sphere is totally dependent only on radius of sphere. Okay, so here we have to compare two densities and two volume of spheres, in other words, two radius of spheres. When we will compare two radius to volume of spheres, radius of one is given 2.00 centimeter, and the radius of other is yet to be calculated. Okay, after calculating the radius of sphere of a second element, then we will be able to describe how much increase has occurred and what is the situation. Okay, the remaining portion we see in solution. Density of iron is less than that of iron. Density of aluminum is less than that of iron, due to which volume of aluminum will be greater than that of iron if masses are required to be kept equal. Okay, because when rho is equal to mass over volume, then mass will be equal to rho into volume, and when masses are compared and they are kept equal, then density of aluminum, which is less than that of iron, is due to this fact, volume of aluminum will be greater than that of iron. Okay, we say this comparative situation in next wording. Greater density implies higher numerator, that is mass, and lower denominator, that is volume. Similarly, converse situation is that lower density implies higher denominator, volume, and lower numerator, that is mass. Okay. Now density, which is denoted by rho, rho is its symbol in lower case, while in capital case it is a capital P. Mostly lower case is used. Okay. So density is equal to rho is equal to mass over volume. Density of iron is equal to rho iron is equal to rho Fe. Okay, because iron element has its symbol Fe. Okay, which is perhaps ferrum. Okay, uh, density of iron is equal to rho iron is equal to rho Fe is equal to mass of iron or over volume of iron is equal to mFe over Vfe. We repeat the above situation for aluminum. Okay, density, now density of aluminum will be alternatively rho aluminum is equal to rho Al is equal to mass of aluminum over volume of aluminum is equal to small m of aluminum over capital V aluminum. Okay. Now we are here keeping masses equal. Okay, when mass of aluminum is equal to mass of iron, then this will imply that rho of aluminum into volume of aluminum is equal to rho of iron into volume of iron. Okay, because density is equal to mass over volume, so mass will be equal to rho into volume. Okay. Using the formula for volume of a sphere, that is V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Yes students, here 4 by 3 and pi are constant, and hence volume is totally dependent only on radius. So using the formula for volume of a sphere, V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, we will get, when we will put this expression in the above equation, which is after implies that, okay, it will become rho aluminum into 4 by 3 pi radius of aluminum cube is equal to rho, that is density of iron, into 4 by 3 pi into 2.00 centimeter cube, which is given. Okay, because here we are comparing two densities and two volume of sphere, two radius of sphere. One radius is given and the other radius is yet to be calculated. Okay, dear students, from this equation we get radius of aluminum cube is equal to density of iron over density of aluminum into 2.00 centimeter cube. Okay, because 4 by 3 pi are on both sides, these will be cancelled out, because when one will be converted on the other side of equality, it will be reversed and both will be cancelled. Okay, in other words, we can say that dividing the whole equation by 4 by 3 pi, this is cancelled out. Okay, so this implies that radius of aluminum cube is equal to density of iron over density of aluminum into 2.00 centimeter cube, which is equal to 23.3 cubic centimeter. Okay, Here cube of radius has been calculated, but we are concerned with the radius. So what we will do? We will take cube root on both sides. Okay, 1 by 3 power on left side, 1 by 3 power on right side. Then we will get the result, required radius of the other element which is not given. Okay, because radius of sphere of iron is given 2.0 centimeter, but radius of aluminium was not given, which we have now calculated, and it has become equal to 2.86 centimeter. Okay, one radius was 2.00 centimeter and the other radius has become 2.86 centimeter. Dear students, when we compare 2.00 and 2.866, what we conclude? We conclude that radius of aluminum is 43% more or higher than the radius of iron. Okay, because dear students, when we compare 2 and 3, we very roughly conclude that increase is 50%. Okay, ratio 2 and 3 implies that there is an increase of 50%. So here if we are comparing 2.00 and 2.99, we can roughly say that increase is 50%. But here we are comparing 2.00 and 2.86. So here increase is 46%. Sorry. For 46, no, 43. Okay. When we compare 2 and 3, we conclude that increase is 50%. Similarly, when we compare 2.00 and 2.99, we roughly say that increase is 50%. But when we compare 2.00 and 2.86, we conclude that increase is 43%. Okay. Now, when we compare 2.00 with 2.86, we conclude that sphere of aluminum is 43% larger than the sphere of iron. Here, hence, 1.43 cube is equal to 2.92. Dear students, 43% is increase. It means before this increase, all the three dimensions of volume were unity. Okay, because volume is equal to length into width into height. Okay, three-dimensional quantity. So before this increase, we assume that all these three parameters were unity, 1. Okay, but after increase of 43%, this unity has been increased from 1.00 to 1.43. And dear students, we know that volume, that is cube, is equal to length into width into height. Or even if we do not mention these three things, volume is always measured in cube, and hence this quantity, that is 1.43, will be multiplied thrice, 3 times, and the result will become 2.92. Hence, volume of aluminum sphere needs to be 2.92 times larger. 2.92 times larger than the volume of iron sphere, so that measuring balance recognizes masses to be equal. Okay. Now dear students, this next step is an extra step, and this may be treated as a counter check. Okay, because two masses are given. Okay, mass of aluminum is also given and mass of iron, both elements masses are given. Okay, and if we multiply smaller mass, it will approximately become equal to the larger mass. So it will show that our calculated result is true. Okay, so we know that one mass was 2.7 into 10 raised to the power 3 kg. Okay, when it is multiplied with 2.92, it is equal to 7.884 into 10 raised to the power 3 kg. And as per statement, other mass is 7.86. It means 7.86 and 7.884 are almost equal, nearly equal, approximately equal. So this step is almost a counter check that the factor, increasing factor which we have determined 2.92, when we multiply it with lower mass, it becomes equal to higher mass. Okay, when we multiply this factor to mass of one element, it becomes equal to the mass of other element as given in the statement, which shows that our calculation is almost correct. Okay, additional note. In additional note, yes students, some facts about sphere are given. Okay, sphere of diameter is equal to 2 into radius is equal to 2r. Okay, the same is the situation for circle. Circumference of a sphere is equal to pi into diameter is equal to 2 by r. Okay, similarly is the situation with circle. Area is equal to 4 pi r square, which is also same in case of circle. Okay, circle and sphere have the same facts and figures. Okay, volume of sphere is equal to v is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of circle is also this. When we assume that circle slides on any axis, it is treated as a sphere. Okay, so all these four figures which are here expressed for sphere are equally applicable to circle. Okay, now density table for density many times previously also included in our modules, and here it is again applicable, so we have reproduced this table. Okay, next table has already been used. Here we can see that on right column density of iron is given 7.86 into 10 raised to the power 3, and aluminum, yes, okay. On right, on the left side, on left column at third place, density of aluminum is equal to is 2.70 into 10 raised to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Okay, so